Hey, what up y'all, it's your girl Tara. Welcome back to my channel. So thank you guys again for tuning in, and if you like my content and my videos, please subscribe right down here below, give it a thumbs up and click on the notification bell if you want to stay tuned. Welcome all the newbies, and to my Outreach family, hi, thanks again for coming. So well, in today's video is a long awaited video what I wanted to do, and today's video is all about drugstore products for your skincare and for a very good price. So I went a little bit shopping with a friend of mine because she liked to watch my videos, and she has dry skin and I have oily skin. So I'm gonna test these products out for a week, then I will come back and make a next video how these products really work for your skin, if it's good to go like drugstore, middle and high-end products. But anyway, let's stay tuned and keep on watching. So the first product I'm gonna show you guys is the MUELLER Pore Clean Wash Gel. And why I took up this product is because it has AAH inside of it. Everybody know that's like fruit acid, and it's this right here is from normal to oily skin. So normal to oily skin, and that is really good. So what you have to do, use it day and night on your face and your neck. So it's like a peeling, and it has this sort of lemony citrus scent. So, and if you can actually see it, I'm gonna put this up right here. It's in a gel form. Come on, came through dripping. So it's like in a gel form. It's like not like that sticky, but it smells really interesting, and it has like these small pearls inside, like so you're getting like an extra peeling, like if it's maybe taking off the skin or whatsoever, dead skin cells. So that product I'm gonna test. I like the scent of it, so it smells really good. And here I have a next peeling. Oh sorry, starting with the face wash. So that was one face gel, and then we're going to Carousel. Everybody knows Carousel. This bad boy right here, everybody knows Carousel. Why I took this up is because this has salicylic acid inside of it, and everybody knows this is really good. I'm gonna link below what salicylic acid does, also what HAA is really good for. So this said, this is for all skin types. That's why I took this up. So it doesn't matter if you have dry skin, if you have oily skin, mixed skin, or combination skin, normal skin. This is for everybody. So I'm gonna try this out here. You can actually see I did try this out because I remember back then I was using Carousel for a very good reason, and it works really well. So this bad boy right here, you guys can really see if it really works or not. So to the next peeling, and it's from Neutrogena. I know so not all, there's also really good products from Neutrogena, and this is with glycolic acid inside of it. Like I said before, I'm gonna link down below what all this is good for and the price of each and every product. This right here is also again for each skin type. This has, oh damn, it has a very strong minty scent, like it smells like mint, and it's also 100% against all the pollution. What is really good, so people who work as welder and stuff, because one of my friends on Snapchat, he said he works as a welder, and to really what he can do for his skin. So I looked this up and I was like, wait, glycolic acid is really good. So you can try this out if you'd like. This is really good. It's a deep clean peeling, but you can use it also as a face wash. This Apricot peeling right here, most of the stuffs what I picked up was, I was looking for what everybody can use. You know, some people might say, okay, this product might not work for them, or the other product might not work for them, but I pick up every single product. What I picked up is for everybody with all skin types. This is an Apricot peeling cream, what I took up, and you use this 1 to 2 times a week. They mark that 1 to 2 times a week. It makes your skin very smooth. The texture is very, how should I say it, like a cream, and it's very fine. So people who have sensitive skin could use this. You guys can actually see how this look on my hands. It's very fine. I find this is very good. So which means everybody can use this peeling. Even those who have very sensitive skin can use this, and those who has dry skin, to get off the dry skin, can use this as well. So I find this is very good. It's very gentle to your skin, as I'm seeing here. You can actually see these fine stuff right here. So it's maybe very gentle to your skin. This stuff might work really good. Does it smell like apricot? Yeah, it smells like apricot and grapefruit. So why? The next thing is Gani aloe vera skin water, face water. So I took up 2 of these. I have one from Gani and one from MUELLER. So that is very good. Both are aloe vera. This one here says 96% and this one says 10% aloe vera. But what makes the difference is, here is with hydro complex. Hydro complex, this is one of the ingredients what is coming more and more in trend. Hydro complex is like really ingredients what sucks the moisture into your skin. It goes to the second layer of your skin. Even some people who have like finer skin goes down to the third part of your skin. So this is really, really good. And this is for people with normal and oily skin. And everybody know hydro complex helps a lot with oily skin. So I'm really, really surprised that they brought out in a drugstore brand that hydro complex, because I know hydro complex from more higher end brand. But I am happy. I'm gonna try this out, and I'm gonna then, like I said, the other one right here is with aloe vera. It's also for normal to oily skin. Ooh, 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 this sorry, this has a strong scent. And also a face water, but I'm gonna use this one as an essence and the other one as a toner. So we're gonna see how that works out. But this is really strong. Wow, it has a very, very strong. What I'm gonna show you guys, everybody know I'm talking about salicylic acid. This is the 2% cruelty free from Beauty Glam salicylic acid. It's for your pimples, blackheads, serum. It helps exfoliate your skin, it refresh your skin. Everybody know what is that, and they always said use it to, it comes in like a nice box. Everybody said this is very good for your skin. This is like a cheaper brand, drugstore brand, Beauty Glam. They have different types, you know. They have like the vitamin C, I saw they have like the rose oil. Then they had really, really different types. The price I will list down below. As you can see, this is how it is. It's clear. It don't have a scent to it, so it's normal. It said you have to use 3 to 4 drops of the serum on your face, on clean face, and after you use this in the daytime, please use a SPF serum after salicylic acid. Anyway, before you use any acid on your face, don't forget, use your sunscreen. That is very important. A lot of people don't know sunscreen is very important. But I found this. I think this is like a whole line. This here, right here, the aloe vera, it's a whole line. Yes, it is, because I will link a picture down here below. It also has for people with sensitive skin who don't like no chemicals inside. They are all different type of lines. They have all the products with the line, but I just took up some of it, not all of it, because some of it was like sold out, so I had to like switch up. Day cream right here. This is the day cream. It comes with 15% SPF inside of it, and we will see how it works. It also has hydro complex, like I said, with the water. It has hydro complex, and it's moisturizing for your face the whole day. So I'm gonna see 15% SPF is low, which means people like I live where the mountains are very high, which means the sun is more intensive. So people who live like in cities or whatsoever, this is really good for them. But people who live where the mountains are very more high and the sun comes down more on their skin, I would recommend them not. When you put on this cream, please still put on a SPF on your skin, but a higher percentage, maybe 20 to 30. And people with more sensitive skin, please go for SPF 50 and above if you can, you know. So this right here is the day cream. Oh, this has a nice scent to it. Wow. And from all my dark skin people, I am doing the test if it's gonna leave you like a ghost or a normal face, like height. Like that. So let's rub this in. You can actually see. I'm just gonna go a little bit more close up. Let's see if this thing gonna leave your face ashy or not. Well, nope. As you can see, the moisturizing with the SPF inside of it, well, it really hydrates the skin. Look at my left arm, my left fist, and my right fist. You can actually see this is like really hydrated, and this one here is just dying for hydration. But anyway, so I'm gonna, smells really good. I'm gonna try this also. Then, what I find really interesting for all my ladies and some gents out there, I found a Bodyfit cellulite wrapper. It's with thermal water inside, and it's like this. I was really amazed when I saw this. I was like, yes! So you gotta wrap this on your body on clean skin, and then you have to leave this on for like a good 20 to 30 minutes. So you can watch your series while you put on this. Yes, I have cellulite. I don't mind. I have my 1 or 2 cellulites, but I don't mind about that. So try this to see how this works. Surely you have to use that more often, but since this is a wrap, maybe this is very intensive on the skin, so we will see about that, how this really works. So, and then the next thing what I found was some serum like this. So you can have your salicylic acid, but also a normal set of pair of serums inside here. So 3 times 1, it's without silicone, without paraffin, without any animal stuff inside. What is inside of this ampoule is actually to help with small pores. This was a very, very good price, I would say. You just have to crack it open, put it on your skin. What I found very interesting is that it has zinc inside of it. What is really, really good for your skin. It helps improve your skin. Zinc is one element what I find is really, really good. I picked up also some face masks. They were really good for a really good price. I have one here, a peel off mask. This right here. Then I have a Dead Sea mud mask. This right here. It's really good. I like to squash it. It feels so good squashing it. And then I took up a next Dead Sea sun mask. But what the difference is this one here. Ooh, this one feels a little bit more thicker. It says with immediate effect. It marked on top of here. So I'm gonna see. You have to leave this on 10 to 15 minutes. This one here has mineral, zinc, and Dead Sea salt inside of it. This one also has Dead Sea salt, minerals, and zinc. So it's 2 masks, but this one here is more effective than this one. So what I have, just looking to make sure I didn't skip on any products. So these are the products that I'm going to try in a week time. I'm going to come back with a review how these products worked on my skin. And thanks for tuning in again. If you love my videos and my content, subscribe. Don't be afraid. Click on the notification bell. Leave your comments down below. I will answer all of them. Follow me on my other social medias. You can follow me on Snapchat. I post there daily. And you can follow me also on Instagram. Everything will be listed at the end of this video. Thank you guys. Bye.